Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to build a simple application that will allow users to convert their HTML into the PDF. I mean, this is very usual problem and common problem that we often face while programming websites, that sometimes we want to export the current version of the website and we have to go so many of bunch of programming and lines of codes to do that. So I'm gonna present some simple way, just one script, 10 or 12 lines of script and done. So in 5 minutes you're gonna convert your HTML to PDF in a super easy way. So let's begin. First of all, I'm gonna create an HTML file. On this HTML file we'll just put some markup and then we will put some scripts and then we will execute them on our local server. For those who don't know how the local server runs, there's a software called XAMPP. The link is in description. You can download that and it's an open source, it's free. You can download it and then run it on your application, and then you can run your own local server and build up your websites on your own desktop. So as you can see, now I'm writing simple HTML file. I'm gonna type in body, and inside the body I'm gonna put some elements that we will be exporting, because whatever is in the HTML page is inside the body only. As those who are new to HTML, they should know that everything they want to display on the website they should put it between the body tag. I'm gonna type in some simple heading like welcome to Ludo Club. The Ludo is a famous game, that's why I'm gonna use it. And then image, I'm gonna put some image, just one image, just to understand that we can also export image as part of the PDF. Now moving ahead, I'm gonna put some code. You can see this bunch of line. There's a function I've created for generating PDF. It takes in one argument as an element, and I pass the ID of the element into that constant, and that constant is passed into the function, and only the content inside that element is exported as a PDF. So in this case I'm gonna create a new element that is print me. I'm gonna use this print me tag to export the PDF. So I'm gonna put all my markup inside this print me element. Some more elements here. After that I'm gonna save this as an index.html, so that those who don't know that in website when there's something index, it automatically runs for that particular software. So you can see the XAMPP control panel here. In the XAMPP controller there is Apache server, there is MySQL server. Apache is basically for the website, and now you can see when I put in the localhost, the page is loaded. You can see the image is missing because we have to put in that image. So I'm gonna now put in that, create a folder, one for JS, second for image, and I'm gonna put the JS file inside the JS folder and image inside the image folder. Now I'm gonna put some real path so that we don't see the missing images there. Now we save it. So you can see the image is too large, so I have to like provide a width for this particular image. So I'm gonna add an attribute width in the image element with 200 pixels, and that would be enough. Now I'm saving it, and now you can see the image is smaller. I'm gonna put it back in as 100%. Now we're gonna introduce a new button that would execute our function on click. So you can see that I'm passing the on click attribute. So my function that I have created, I'm passing that in the on click attribute of the button. We're gonna type something like generate PDF. Yeah. So now you can see that there is a button. Now when I click it, it should give us a PDF. Oh, looks like there's some error, so we're gonna see what's errors. It says HTML to PDF is not defined. It means our script hasn't been loaded properly, and it's a common mistake that we always do. So I'm gonna put that real path in here and then execute it, and now you can see the PDF. Okay, the character set is very important while creating an HTML file. So I'm gonna put the character set as character set is basically the meta tag that we use in the head tag of the HTML file, so that the modern browsers know that what character encoding is used in the application. So I'm gonna put in that, and I think now we are done. So yeah, I'm gonna save it, refresh the page, generate PDF. And now you can see the browser has outputted the PDF, and the PDF has the same content as in the web page because we passed that. So that's how in just 5 minutes you can create your own web page where you can export the web page content to a PDF, and in just 7 minutes. Thanks for watching, guys. Do like, share and subscribe to your programmer friends, and of course subscribe to get more contents on programming. Thank you.